The roku brand is part of the Austrian LASSELSBERGER group. The group has three main divisions for production of ceramic tiles, building materials, and raw materials. Our Czech operations produce 28 million square meters of ceramic tiles a year. Out of this, 30% remains on the Czech market, while we export 70% to over 90 countries worldwide. We're here in Plzeň, where we built a modern distribution center in 2017. This is one of our two centers in the Czech Republic. Tile production has its specifics, which our logistics team must be able to handle. We work with a variety of product formats, batches, quality levels, and resulting special rules for work with them. Our production technology doesn't let us quickly switch materials on the line, so we have to work with quite large warehouse stocks for 4 to 5 months of sales. That's a big logistics challenge. This site is where we store 110,000 pallets, each weighing 1 ton, which go on from here to all our distribution channels, from roku CZ eShop packages to shipping containers. Most of the volume is transported via lorry throughout Europe. Our main information system is SAP. In the past, we used a different platform for managing logistics, but that ended in a flawed, endless ping-pong between both systems. That's why, about 10 years ago, we decided to manage our logistics fully within SAP, and Aimtec's SAP solution aided this transition to a single system.
Think of our SAP solution as a set of templates, in fact, a sort of construction set that lets us adapt SAP solution to the needs of individual plants. It's a superstructure, but it's programmed within the standard SAP system. This lets us avoid chaotic interventions, which impact on standard transactions and functionality. The whole solution can be sustainably developed, changed, and adjusted for the current needs.
Our logistics and warehouse management demands are constantly developing and changing. That makes long-term cooperation with a single supplier beneficial for us. They know us and our processes. We can explain any needed changes with ease, we can usually avoid extensive analyses, and we can adjust things fairly easily.
There's a big difference between one-off deployment and gradual development, or adding functionality into individual plants. We don't have to analyze the whole system or do any custom development. We have all the necessary process knowledge. We avoid repeat testing, errors, and any need for workarounds. Becoming a global partner to the LASSELSBERGER Group has made our shared projects faster and more efficient. Today, our SAP warehouse management solution is ready for use in branches worldwide.
What's important here is our progress towards logistics automation in the last few years. We want machines to handle most routine tasks, while people do jobs with more added value. In Plzeň, we've interlinked the entire product flow, from production to our customers. It's all in one system, and SAP manages most of the logistics processes, from creating packages, through palletization and label printing, out to managing, put away, and shipping. What's most crucial, with today's lack of people on the market, is that we're better using their capacity and thus our money, because the people here focus on jobs where humans are truly indispensable.
We're currently testing and will later start preparing other automation projects that harness new technologies. And that means more chances to shift people onto work with greater added value. But we've already done something big. We're managing logistics in the ERP system that's used company-wide. And along with Aimtec, we're advancing it non-stop.